Much like a plant needs water to grow, so does hair. Water is a key ingredient that supports vitamins, which contribute to your hair growth. Believe it or not, but water makes up almost 25% of the weight of a strand of hair. Hello everyone, welcome to Favor's Nook. In this channel, we share a little bit of everything. Today, I want to share tips on growing healthy hair. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you will get notified. Like and share this video. I packed the hair to wash. That's how it's easier for me. So which style would they go for? Weaving and one? Yeah. The most important thing we can do for our body is drink water. The Institute of Medicine has determined that the needed daily intake of water for hair growth for men and women is somewhere between 2 and 3 liters. Do you get enough water on a daily basis for your hair to grow healthily? Internally, staying hydrated is important. It is also a factor that can contribute to a highly sought after need for long hair. Drinking at least 2 liters of water a day will help the strength of your hair, increasing growth. Dehydration immediately stops hair growth. When it doesn't have the moisture it needs, your hair ends with split or become brittle. This makes it difficult for hair to grow. It is possible for one's hair to stop growing completely if you are not drinking enough water. Drinking water also triggers the energy that is transmitted at the scalp that runs to your hair ends. When the roots are hydrated, this will eliminate problems like dandruff. The hair contains 10% to 12% of water and 95% of keratin. Keratin is a protein that helps strengthen the hair to prevent breakage, heat damage, and frizz. Is vitally important for maintaining strong, healthy hair. If you are a vegetarian, you have to be careful of keratin treatment because most of them comes from animals. Keratin is a type of structural protein found in our hair, skin, and nails. It is important for maintaining structure of your skin, supporting wound healing, and keeping your hair and nails healthy and strong. Apart from keratin treatment, you can naturally get keratin from what we eat. In as much as we put most of those things in our hair, it is still important to eat most of them so that it will take care of the hair internally. Then the treatment will take care of the hair physically or externally. Some of the things we can eat to support the hair producing keratin includes egg, onions, salmon, sweet potatoes, sunflower seed, mangoes, garlic, kale, beef liver, carrots, and lots more. Try as much as possible to get these, especially when they are in seasons, so that you help build the structure of your skin. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you will get notified. Like and share this video. I hope these few tips will go a long way to help us growing a healthy hair. Thank you so much for watching.